How to fix Instagram's camera effects or filters not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can fix Instagram's camera effects and filters not working. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version, because sometimes due to lack of update this could be causing the issue. Let's say that you just launched the Instagram application, you're not being able to use its camera, its effects, its filters or anything as such. Well, it could be happening due to multiple reasons, and it doesn't really necessarily mean that there is only one reason behind it. So make sure that you also have a strong internet connection, because sometimes some of the effects and filters which you see within the Instagram application is not actually yet downloaded. It needs to get downloaded, so you want to make sure that you have enough space on your phone, versus you also want to make sure that you have a good internet connection. And if you're not being able to use the camera, then there is a small thing that we can do, and that is to simply launch the settings application over here and go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps, on a list of these applications, I want you to simply go ahead and search for Instagram. Once you go to Instagram app over here, go to the option called permissions and tap on camera. Make sure you have allowed the camera permissions, because if the Instagram app does not have a camera permissions, it will not be able to use a camera, and as a result will not be able to upload stories and so on. The other thing you can try to do is you can come back and try to clear the cache files first of all by going into storage and selecting clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but that is going to reset the application's permissions, and it is also going to log you out of your account. And if you're on iPhone, I would recommend you to try to offload the application and reinstall the app again. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.